Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the ChatGPT tutorial for beginners. If you want to learn ChatGPT from scratch, in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro, even if you have never touched an AI tool before. So let's get started. First things first, ChatGPT is an AI tool created by OpenAI. So think of it as your smart assistant that can write, brainstorm, explain, and even help you code or create content all in seconds. And the best part, you can use it for free with just your browser. So how to create a ChatGPT account? You can just go to this page, chat.openai.com, and then you can just click on sign up and create an account using your email or Google login. And once you're in, you'll see a clean chat interface like this, and this is where all the magic happens. So in the chat box in here, you can type your questions or requests, and this is called a prompt. And on the left in here, you'll see your chat history like this. This is my history, and also in the settings, you can adjust features like dark mode, language, or even switch models. So the settings is in under here. You can go to your photo first and go to the settings. And how to ask a better prompt. So to get the best result, you need to be specific. Instead of saying write me a story, you can say write me a 300-word detective story set in New York with a funny twist ending. You can go with that because the clearer the prompt, the better ChatGPT performs. And you can use ChatGPT for so many things: writing YouTube scripts, creating social media captions, learning a new topic, translating text, and even generating ideas for business or school projects. The possibilities are endless. So if you want to take it further, you can also pair ChatGPT with tools like Canva, Google Docs, or AI image creators for visuals. And this turns ChatGPT into a complete creative powerhouse. So that's how you start using ChatGPT as a beginner. Remember, experiment with your prompts, save your favorite responses, and most importantly, have fun with it. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!